some of the most extravagant flowers in the forest in immense numbers. Each is the size of a human hand. Once a plant becomes adult, it can switch its energies from growth to reproduction. The tropical forests of the Americas stretch from Mexico to the southern reaches of the Amazon. They contain more than 100,000 different species of plant, each with its own particular survival strategy. One species that has adopted a grow-fast lifestyle flourishes throughout this vast region. The balsa. But it has to pay a high price for doing so. The lightweight wood that enables it to grow at such speed is not strong and is easily broken. Few balsas live longer than 20 years. This one is approaching the end of its brief life, so the time has come for it to reproduce. It has used a huge amount of energy to produce some of the most extravagant flowers in the forest in immense numbers. Each is the size of a human hand. As night falls, the tree prepares an enticing treat.